So in your goals, you want to make 100 million. Somebody said 100 million. I just want you to know that doesn't even cover one night. It doesn't even cover one night in the chairman's suite at Marriott in Hanoi. So you need to think bigger.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
And actually I was in Hanoi last week. I also stayed at Marriott. Yeah, and that's 20 million a night. Actually no. It's 139 million a night. You can check it. It's the chairman's suite. Okay, I stay at the chairman's suite because I cannot get the presidential suite. It's sold out, taken, only one, so I cannot get that. That's the suite where, you know, when Donald Trump visits Vietnam, that's where he stays at. See, I have a small project. I want to sleep in all the hotel rooms where presidents and prime ministers stay at. I already stay in the same room as Putin when he visited Vietnam, and I actually made a video about that, right? And I want to try the presidential at Marriott, but it was not available this last week. So in your goals, you want to make 100 million. Somebody said 100 million. I just want you to know that doesn't even cover one night. It doesn't even cover one night in the chairman's suite at Marriott in Hanoi. So you need to think bigger, okay? If you're here to make 10, 5, or 50 million dong, you're in the wrong place. You are in the wrong place. Yesterday, Sunday night, while I was very drunk, one of my sales leaders in Hanoi sent me a message, and she says, I got this deal, it's about 40. I need to fly to Hanoi right now. Or not right now, next week. Yeah, for 40, I'll fly. I'll go. So I'll be going again. Man, we have a lot of big deals there, man. The Hanoi team is here too, right? Right. And there are some really big deals happening in Hanoi. They don't want me to talk about it. Something to do with feng shui, or bad luck, or good luck, or whatever. They say that if I talk about it, then maybe they lose the deal. I don't know, so I'm not gonna talk about it. But let me tell you, there's some big deals happening in Hanoi. And I spent a week in Hanoi visiting customers and also going. There are many customer meetings. I get to choose which ones I go. What I can tell you is that the Hanoi team works so hard, right? They work Saturday, they work Sunday. I went to the office on Sunday. There's still people there getting ready to visit customers. And in Ho Chi Minh, we have one of the sales leader going to Dak Lak. Yeah, we have 2 company cars in the basement. If you need to go to see customers and they're far away, just jump in the company car, we'll take you there. So that's what he did. He went all the way to Dak Lak. Actually, not Dak Lak. You know where he went? Dak Nong. That tells you the kind of work ethic culture we have. So if you're here to make your 5, 10, 50 million dong, you failed. Not just your job, not just your career. You failed your life. One thing for sure, you will never stay at the chairman's suite in Marriott. Next week, I'm gonna book the presidential suite. Well, the chairman's suite is 139 million dong, so I don't know what's the presidential suite. It's not on the website. The price is not on the website, so I need to find out. Yeah, and let me tell you, the chairman's suite is so nice. It's so big. The bed is so comfy. Yeah, I can fit many assistants on that bed. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. Inappropriate. But you know what? Today we're gonna say many inappropriate things. We might test your sensitivity. Because in the future, your sales, you're gonna talk to customers. And not everybody you will like. Maybe your customers smoke, you don't like smoking. I don't smoke, I hate people that smoke. But I will do business with people that smoke. Maybe your customers are pervert.
Có thể khách hàng của bạn là một tên biến thái.
Biến thái, like me, right? Maybe when you talk to the customer, he's like, hey, what's up, baby? Or actually, if that happens, you need to get out of there. Okay, don't like. He's not there to do business with you. He wants to close another kind of deal. My point is, oh, he's so happy when he heard that. So my point is, in your sales career, you're gonna meet a lot of people. Everybody's different. So you cannot be sensitive person, right? You cannot be sensitive. If people say, fuck you.
Nếu như là có ai đó nói là đờ mờ mày.
Right? Dumber! Yes, your customer might say that to you. Usually I say that to the customer. Dumber, you don't want to buy, fuck you, I go. But anyway, don't do that though. Don't. I know this is sales training, but don't do that, right? But sometimes that's useful. And then the customer chase after you. Please, yes, I want. It actually happens multiple times. You gotta understand your customer though. You gotta use the right tools, right strategy at the right times. Cannot be sensitive person. You gotta make your goals bigger. $100 million is a start, okay? How can you make 1T, 2T? How can you buy a villa? Anybody here wanna buy a villa one day?
Không.
Put your hand up first. 8-2, 50 points, right? What kind of, where you wanna buy?
Maybe Thủ Thiêm.
District 2.
Oh, District 2, Thủ Đức?
Oh, Thủ Thiêm, District 2.
Okay, good, near me.
Gần nhà tôi.
My neighbor. Okay, maybe you'll be my neighbor. What kind of villa is it gonna be? How many bedrooms? How many parking space for cars? That's important to me. I have 8 cars right now.
Điều đó rất
Really?
Yeah. I need a new villa.
Em muốn cái căn biệt thự 24 phòng ngủ ạ.
24?
Yes.
You're gonna have 24 wives?
Yes. Maybe I want it.
Okay, that's my kind of man.
Này.
But let me tell you, 24 wives very expensive. You need a lot of money to support that.
Vốn
And if
còn
you
đó.
want them to live under the same roof, the only way that will happen is you have a lot of money.
Và
Yes,
cách
sir.
Right, Miss Fong? It's true. I'm working on it. I'm not at that level yet. They don't want to live under the same roof.
nhà.
So I need multiple villas. No, I'm just kidding. But you understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
Think bigger.